Good morning, children. Today we shall learn more about fractions. You already know about fraction of a whole like cake, chocolate bar, etc. As we saw in the story, the twins were quarreling as they had a whole cake and they could not share it into two equal halves themselves. Tell me, if the twins had two cakes instead of one, could they have shared it equally in halves easily? Yes, it would have been very easy for them. Both Chinu and Minu could have taken one cake each. 1 plus 1 is 2. It means each got 1 out of 2 or half. In that case, they would have not required the help from Motu and so would not have been fooled by him. If someday Chino's mother buys him a bunch of cherries and tells him to share half with Minu, what would he do? Well, tell me what you would do if you were Chinu. Half of all these cherries doesn't mean we need to cut each cherry into half, isn't it? Half of one cherry is not an easy or the right thing to do. Correct, children? Then, how would you share the cherries? Simple. Assume you have 20 cherries. You and your sister's share should be the same, right? So, we divide cherries into two equal shares. Divide. Yes, it is division. 20, we divide it into two equal shares. 20 is divided by 2, which is 10. So, half of 20 cherries is 10 cherries. Half or 1 by 2 of 20 is 10. Thus, each of the twins, Chinu and Minu, get 10 cherries each out of the total of 20 cherries. Let us take another example. If there are 9 bananas and you have to share it equally with 2 friends, how many would each of you get? 9 bananas and 1, 2, 3. 3 shares. So, we need to make 3 equal shares. And each one gets 1 share, that is 1 out of the 3 equal shares. Right, children? So, we would say each gets 1 by 3 of the total, that is 1 by 3 of all the bananas. 1 by 3 we also call as 1/3 of all the bananas. And how do we get 1/3 of 9? Since we need 3 equal shares of 9, we need to divide 9 by 3. As we are sharing equally, we use division. How much is 9 divided by 3? It is 3. So, out of the 9 bananas, each gets 3. 3 for yourself, 3 for your another friend, and 3 for the second friend. If you see, there is nothing new about fraction. We use it when we share things or go for buying things, though it may be we don't even realize it. Let us take a dozen of oranges. A dozen means 12. What is half or 1 by 2 of a dozen? It's 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So, half a dozen is 6. What is a third of a dozen? A third of a dozen means we divide a dozen into 3 equal parts and take 1 part. This means we need 3 parts or shares of 12, which is 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, 1/3 of a dozen is 4. See, there are 3 equal shares or parts and each has 4 oranges. Same way, what is a fourth of a dozen? That is, what is 1/4 of a dozen? Here we need to make 4 equal shares of a dozen. Then we take one share, that is 1 by 4 of a dozen. For that we would divide 12 by 4. A fourth is sometimes called a quarter. So 1/4 or a quarter of a dozen is 3. You must have also heard 3/4 or 3 by 4. What is 3/4? Well, 1/4 means a quarter, so 3/4 means 3 quarters. Now, 1/4 means 1 out of the 4 parts of a collection. So, 3/4 means 3 parts out of the 4 parts of a collection. That is 3 by 4. Same way, 2/3 means 2 1/3. It means we divide a collection into 3 parts and take 2 parts. Is this complicated? Let's look at the tricks to make this thing simpler. We can find a fraction of a collection just the way we find the fraction of a whole thing. What part is 2 oranges out of 5 oranges? Well, it is 2 parts out of the 5 parts of a collection. We can say it is 2/5 part. How do we find it? It is part of a collection divided by the whole collection. So, let us summarize. When finding a fraction of a collection, we first make the required equal parts or shares by division. Like we divide by 4 to make 4 shares of a dozen. Now, you know how many objects are there in each share. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, 3 objects are there in each share. Here, 3 oranges are there. So, if we take one share out of the 4 shares, we can say 1/4 of the collection and we get 3 oranges in this case. Now, how can we take multiple shares? We can take multiple shares and can also know how many objects we are taking. Like if we take 3 1/4, that is 3/4 or 3 parts out of the 4 parts. Then what happens? As there are 3 oranges in one part, so we take 3 times one part, which is 3 into 3. That is, we take 9 oranges. Right, children? That is all for today. Bye bye, children.